Hey guys, it's me Daniel, aka Boy in the Word. Today I have a special guest with me. Dun dun dun!
Hi friends, it's me, Faith, aka Bella in the Word. Today we're going to unbox and review CubicFun Cityline New York City 3D puzzle. This is the front, and this is the back. Can you please help me open this?
Sure. Due to the pandemic, we were supposed to go to New York, but our flight was postponed. Then, a few days later, this box came along with this letter, and it says, Danny and Faith, since your trip got postponed, we decided to send New York to you. Enjoy, from Auntie Emily and Uncle Victor and Baby Elizabeth.
I miss them.
Let's build this, Faith.
Hey. And this is the instructions, and it kind of looks like a magazine. Oh yeah. Which one should we start with?
I don't know. Let's do this one.
Which is probably the good one.
Yeah.
1 hour later.
Which one do you want to do?
Let's do the first one.
Okay. Do you want to do the small one, like the Liberty, the Statue of Liberty one?
Yeah. Okay.
Like this.
Wait.
There's
How
the
about this
Statue
one?
of Liberty.
Can we do this one? Like, it's the A one.
8 hours later.
Can you move along? I'm on a time card.
Bridge. And plenty more.
Let's do Statue of Liberty
Yeah, this
first.
one. Do you want me to build a bigger one?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think you can do it?
Yeah.
Just on your own?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's just see.
So first step is 78.
New York is beautiful when you go there. At nighttime, the lights and it just looks
lights
beautiful
up.
there.
That is one of the nicest skylines.
Mm-hmm. They're beautiful.
This takes a lot of time, so be patient, please. It will break.
Six hours later.
This is fun, isn't it, Faith?
Can you help me put this in?
Sure. Thank you.
Where's the Statue of Liberty? Right here.
It's in the back, because it's one of the last ones. Like,
Oh, but isn't this so cute? I have to put this on. It's like so
big
cute.
trucks.
Let's see. Overload. Overload the water thing. This is how to get out of the singing car. Are there people in here?
No. No people.
Is it 30 minutes? Over 30 minutes. We have passed.
Day 2. An hour for sure. Several bad puns later.
Yes.
Eventually.
down. Yes.
You're gonna finish that painting? Is this even a bench?
Yeah, I think it's so.
Is it like this?
Yes.
Look, we're back in New York City.
That's great.
Taxi. Oh no. Open. Accident.
12 seconds later.
Hey guys, this is the final product of the New York Cityline CubicFun 3D puzzle. It was hard to build for those of you that like Legos and wooden 3D puzzles. This is good, but don't be fooled, because if you make one wrong mistake, the foam might rip, and it takes really long and it tests your patience.
And this is the Brooklyn Bridge. Right here. See it? Oh, and there's a car. Right here. This is the Statue of Liberty. This is the Freedom Tower. It's really tall. This is it. Like this. And this is the Empire State. And what's this over?
The Chrysler Building.
Yeah. This is the Chrysler Building. And this, we think, is a bench. I don't know exactly, but it looks like a huge bench. Bye. Thanks for watching this video.